From 1883 to 1960, trains ran the length of California's Owens Valley, hauling ore and agricultural products. Slim Princess Engine 18 is an oil-fired 3-foot gauge steam-powered locomotive built by Baldwin in Philadelphia in 1911. She is the only fully operational narrow-gauge locomotive in the Eastern California region. Slim Princess Engine 18 operated first as NCO Engine 12 along the Nevada-California-Oregon Rail Line in Altoris, California. In 1928, Southern Pacific renumbered NCO Engine 12 as SP Engine 18 when she was transferred to the Keeler branch, here in the Owens Valley. By 1943, the narrow-gauge Keeler branch was reduced to only 71 miles, from the Keeler Station southeast of Lone Pine to the Laws Station northeast of Bishop. By 1960, the economy of the Owens Valley had transformed from agriculture and mining to the export of water and hydroelectric power. The final train ran the length of the Owens Valley on April 29, 1960, thus ending the last common carrier narrow-gauge railroad of the Far West. Showcased in Independence, California since 1955, Southern Pacific Engine 18 was completely restored by Carson and Colorado Railway volunteers between 2010 and 2016. The Slim Princess may be viewed year-round at the Eastern California Museum.